Running a RED Komodo-X off a single gold mount battery and powering accessories from the same battery, here's the safe way to swap out the battery without corrupting media or damaging cables. This build uses an Anton Bauer Titon Micro 150 on the RED Pro Gold Mount I/O module. This module mounts directly to the camera's rear micro V-lock plate. The battery's USB-A port is powering a Unplug over USB-C. The P-tap is powering a Nucleus-M focused servo motor. First, stop recording. Wait for the media light to go solid so there's no flashing. That ensures all clips are fully closed. Turn the camera power switch to off and let the Komodo-X shut down completely. The fan should wind down and the screen will go dark. Then turn off the Unplug. Then turn off the focus servo motor. Then turn off the battery mount power switch. This cuts power to the plate and ports and prevents backfeed and connector arcing when you swap. Before you pull the battery brick, unplug all accessories connected to the battery. This includes the USB-A to USB-C cable going to the Unplug and the P-tap lead that powers the Nucleus-M servo. Open the gold mount latch, then lift the Titon Micro 150. Since this camera is mounted on a balanced gimbal, it's a good idea to have the next battery close at hand. Line up the gold mount nubs with the slots on the plate. Seat the fresh battery until it clicks locked. Give it a gentle tug test to confirm the gold mount latch is secure. Reconnect the P-tap and the USB-A to USB-C cables. Switch the battery mount switch to on. Confirm power and that the accessories wake normally. Switch the Nucleus-M module back to on. Switch the camera power switch to on. Check that everything powers up normally. Drop your preferences for V-mount versus gold mount in the comments. Hopefully this helps you change out an Anton Bauer Titon Micro 150 on a RED Pro gold mount. Happy shooting!